Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you easy algorithm how to find all divisor in Python. Okay, first of all write your number like this, and we need to list. Can say divisors. Okay, for I in range 1 int x plus 1 if x I equals 0 divisors append that append I and divisors that append x I divisors that sort print divisors. Okay, let's play and we can see all divisors of this number. How does this algorithm work? Okay, open paint. We have number like 100. 100 is 100, 2 and 15 and 50, 3 and none, 4 and 25, 5 and 20, etc. By 10. 10 is the square of 100. Okay. 10 and 10 and 20. 5. We don't use this. Check our algorithm only for square. Okay, 100. Good. Okay guys, that is all I want to tell you. Have a nice day.